So the first we have मैं साफ साफ बोलता हूँ. I am outspoken. I am outspoken. यहाँ से बाहर निकलो. Get out of here. Get out of here. कपड़े तह कर दो. Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. मेरी मजबूरी थी. It was my compulsion. It was my compulsion. ये गंभीर मामला है. It is a serious matter. It is a serious matter. पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो. Put your mind to studies. Put your mind to studies. क्या मैं जा सकता हूँ? Should I leave? Should I leave? पंखा धीमा कर दो. Turn down the fan. Turn down the fan. ये मेरे समझ के बाहर है. This is out of my mind. This is out of my mind. मुझे आपसे एक बात करनी है. I have a word with you. I have a word with you. मेरा पीछा छोड़ दो. Get off my back. Get off my back. मेरे लायक कुछ काम. Anything else to do for me? Anything else to do for me? वो फालतू में रो रहा है. He is crying for nothing. He is crying for nothing. बाद में मिलते हैं. Catch you up later. Catch you up later. खाना अभी नहीं बना. Food is not yet ready. Food is not yet ready. अपनी भड़ास निकालो. Voice your frustration. Voice your frustration. मुझे नाम याद नहीं रहते हैं. I am terrible at names. I am terrible at names. मैं सॉरी कहने आया था. I came to say sorry. I came to say sorry. थोड़ा मुझे भी दो. Give me some as well. Give me some as well. मैं जैसा हूँ वैसा ही रहूँगा. I will remain as I am. I will remain as I am. तुमने बड़ी देर लगाई. You took a long time. You took a long time. कभी घर आओ. Ever come to home. Ever come to home. मुझे बाजार जाना है. I have to go to the market. I have to go to the market. वो समय पर सो गया था. He had slept on time. He had slept on time. Now it's time for quiz. Number 1. कपड़े तह कर दो. Number 2. मैं जैसा हूँ वैसा ही रहूँगा. इन दोनों सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे कमेंट करके अपना आंसर बताएं. साथ ही अपना फीडबैक देना ना भूलें. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.